Today's piece has a bit of a nautical theme. The cord is 10mm 3-ply, kind of chunky, and you need 20.5 meters of it. You'll need a dowel 20 inches or 50 centimeters long. I like using a really chunky piece of driftwood because the cord is really chunky, so it complements it well. You can also get really thick dowels cut for you at the hardware store. For this project, you just need to know the Lark's head knot and the Josephine knot. If you already know them, just jump ahead to the next chapter. We'll be attaching our cords to the dowel using the Lark's head knot. Fold the piece of cord in half, pass the two ends under the dowel, over the top, and then through this loop, and just pull it snug. To practice the Josephine knot, attach 2 cords with the Lark's head knot to your dowel. Take the second cord and make a loop. Make sure your cord is underneath. Take your next cord over and lay it on top of the loop. Now we're going to do a series of over and unders. First, go under this cord, then over, then under, then over, and then under again. Now I make a little adjustment. With the first cord, trace the line of the second cord. With the fourth cord, trace the line of the third cord. Pull the cords and adjust to finish the knot. It should look something like this when you're done. Now let's make the piece. Attach a 2-meter length of cord on each side of the dowel using the Lark's head knot. I suggest taping your ends first so the cord doesn't unravel while you're making your knots. Then attach 2 2.5-meter lengths here, and then 2 3-meter lengths in the middle. There's about 1 3/4 inches or 4.5 centimeters between your cords. I'm Canadian, so if you don't know this, we are constantly jumping between imperial and metric. So in the description, I'll have links in both metric and imperial. Now you want to create 3 Josephine knots across the top. So now make adjustments so they're all nicely aligned. Make 2 more Josephine knots below the top 3, and you want them staggered. Leave about 1 inch between the rows, and then 1 last Josephine knot in the middle. Next, you're going to need 6 cords that are 90 centimeters each or 36 inches. We're going to tie a cord around each pair of cords using the overhand knot. This is the same knot you use to tie your shoes. Make an overhand knot. cross the cords, but you're doing that in behind, and then come to the front and do one more overhand knot. Do that with all 6 pairs of cords. Adjust these how you like. Trim off all those little taped bits at the end. And now I'm going to unravel the cords. When you're done, you'll have something that looks like this. If you're interested in trying another one of my projects, this is my most popular one so far. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.